I built this website using Three.js. Let me show you how I did it. I'm building a website for a photographer, so I started out in Sora just making 3D model concepts. The photographer that reached out to me is inspired by Frank Lloyd Wright, so I came up with some 3D renders of Frank Lloyd Wright inspired cameras for the 3D model. I literally just Googled image to 3D and used the first website that came up. So you come into the studio and you click image to 3D and you just upload your image. After the job runs, you end up with a 3D model like this, and honestly, I was pretty impressed. I mean, it's not perfect, but I think it's good enough to do the job. So then you have to add texture. You do that on the texture tab, and you can add a style reference. So I just put in that same exact image from Sora and let that generate. You end up getting a result like this, and I don't know about you guys, but I think this is pretty good. I'm very impressed with how easy this was. I gave the GLB file to my project in Cursor, and I asked Claude Code to just create a simple demo using Three.js. That's literally it, and it gave me this. So it gave me like a little admin panel, and then you've got the object here in the middle, and you can click and drag, you can zoom in, zoom out. The next thing I did was add a little demo of what it would look like in a portfolio website, and this took a little bit of tweaking, but basically I put the model behind the hero text, and then as you scroll down, it kind of gets larger and spins until it lands in place in the work section, and then images from his portfolio kind of come out, which I thought was pretty cool, and it just chills there. This is my first time playing around with Three.js, and I think it's pretty cool. I see the possibilities of what I could build where 3D models move and lock into different spots on the page, and then you can kind of maybe explode like products out into different component parts. The possibilities are endless for this stuff. Follow for more.